Hello everyone, and in today's Hebrew lesson we're going to learn the verb must that we have learned in the previous lesson, but obviously it won't be like I was must, it will be was obliged to. But in Hebrew it practically stays the same, so the only thing that changes is the grammatical structure. So remember the lesson about had to or should have, which we used the verb liot together with the verb tzarich. So the same situation happens here. Is in situations when we were obliged to do something. So essentially it will be the verb liot plus chayav. Chayav. So we'll use the respective pronouns and conjugate it with the verb liot according to past tense, together with the respective conjugation with the same gender and number in present tense of the modal verb chayav. I remind you that the verb liot conjugated the following way. Ani hayiti ata הייתה, את, היית, הוא, היה, היא, הייתה, אנחנו, היינו, אתם, הייתם, אתן, הייתן, הם, היו, הן, היו. I was obliged to do that. הייתי חייב לעשות את זה. You were not obliged to do that. לא היית חייב לעשות את זה. I was obliged to be at work. הייתי חייבת להיות בעבודה. You weren't obliged to be at work. לא היית חייבת להיות בעבודה. Yossi was obliged to go to France. יוסי היה חייב לנסוע לצרפת. No, he wasn't obliged to go there. לא, הוא לא היה חייב לנסוע לשם. סיוון was obliged to check that. סיוון הייתה חייבת לבדוק את זה. No, she was not obliged to check that. לא, היא לא הייתה חייבת לבדוק את זה. We were obliged to be there as fast as possible. אנחנו היינו חייבים להיות שם כמה שיותר מהר. You weren't obliged to come. לא הייתם חייבים להגיע. We were obliged to talk with them. אנחנו היינו חייבות לדבר איתם. You weren't obliged to talk with them. לא הייתן חייבות לדבר איתם. They were obliged to do that fast. הם היו חייבים לעשות את זה מהר. They were obliged to go to work yesterday. הם היו חייבים ללכת לעבודה אתמול. They were obliged to pay the electricity bill. הן היו חייבות לשלם את חשבון החשמל. Thank you so much for your attention, guys, and I hope that you liked this video. If you did, leave a like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And if you have any questions, post them in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next lesson.